Today our topic is General Knowledge Bits Part 6. These are useful for UPSC, RRB, PSU, SSI. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my videos. International Girl Child Day is observed on. The given options are A. 11th October, B. 16th October, C. 20th July, D. 24th October. The option A is correct answer. The 11th October. International Day of the Girl Child is globally observed on 11th October every year. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is celebrated on dash. The given options are A. 9th January, B. 8th January, C. 2nd January, D. 1st January. Correct option is A. 9th January. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is celebrated on 9th of January each year. It is celebrated to mark the contribution of overseas Indian community in the development of India. The city of thousand temples is the name of dash. A. Varanasi, B. Dwaraka, C. Kanchipuram, D. Bhubaneswar. Option C is correct answer. Kanchipuram. Kanchipuram is popularly known as the city of thousand temples. The city of Kanchipuram is located in the state of Tamil Nadu on the banks of the Vegavati river. What is the full form of ISKCON? The given options are A. Indian Society for Krishna Consciousness, B. International Society for Krishna Consciousness, option C. Ireland Society for Krishna Consciousness, D. None of these. International Society for Krishna Consciousness. International Society for Krishna Consciousness is a Gaudiya Vaishnava religious organization. It was founded in 1966 in New York City by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. The Hajara Rama temple is located in which of the following states of India? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Rajasthan, C. Kerala, D. Karnataka. The option D is correct answer. Karnataka. Hajara Rama temple in Hampi is an important shrine in Hampi, Karnataka. The temple is dedicated to Lord Rama. Ikebana is the Japanese art of A. Papercraft, B. Dress designing, C. Miniature tree farming, D. Flower arrangement. Option D. Flower arrangement is correct answer. Ikebana is the Japanese art of flower arrangement. It is also known as Kado. Madhubani, a style of folk painting, is popular in which of the following states in India? Options are A. Bihar, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. West Bengal, D. Rajasthan. The option A is correct one. Bihar. Madhubani painting is one of the oldest art forms from Mithila region of Bihar. Samba dance is famous in A. Brazil, B. Peru, C. Argentina, D. Mexico. The option A is correct one. A. Brazil. Samba is a dance authentic to African people in Brazil who brought much of their music and dance culture into Latin America with them upon arrival into many Latin American countries. Which of the following were the sects of Jainism? A. Svetambaras, B. Digambaras, C. Mahasanghikas, D. A and B. Option D, A and B is the correct option. Jains are divided into two major sects, the Digambara sect and the Svetambara sect. Each of these sects is also divided into subgroups. The Jain monks who wore white cloths were called as A. Tirupandis, B. Digambaras, C. Svetambaras, D. Mahasanghikas. The given option C is correct one, Svetambaras. Thaipusam festival is celebrated by which community? A. Tamil, B. Kasi, C. Malayalam, D. Marathi. The option A, Tamil community. Thaipusam is a Hindu festival celebrated mostly by the Tamil community on the full moon in the Tamil month of Thai, January or February. The famous Navakalebara festival belongs to which of the following states? A. Rajasthan, B. Punjab, C. Odisha, D. Manipur. The option C, Odisha. Navakalebara festival is an ancient ritual that is observed in the most of the Jagannath temples, Odisha. Vattal tribe is popularly known for which of the following dance form? A. Bihu, B. Dhamal, C. Dhamal, D. Bardo. The option B is Dhammal. Dhamal is a dance performed by the men folk of the Vattal tribe of Kashmir on specific occasions. Jamni Rai was a famous A. actor, B. producer, C. dancer, D. painter. Option D is correct one, painter. Jamni Rai was an Indian painter. He was honored with the State Award of Padma Bhushan in 1954. He was born 11th April 1887, died in 24th April 1972. Who is known as the founder of the Khalsa Panth? A. Guru Nanak Dev, B. Guru Arjan Dev, C. Guru Gobind Singh, D. None of these. The option C, Guru Gobind Singh. Khalsa refers to both special group of initiated Sikh warriors as well as community that considers Sikhism as its faith. The Khalsa tradition was initiated in 1699 by the last living Guru of Sikhism, Guru Gobind Singh. Its formation was a key event in the history of Sikhism. If you like the video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel, share with your friends and relatives. Thank you very much.